Did you know that thousands of eggs are eaten every day across Ghana, yet many poultry farmers still struggle to meet demand? What if you could turn just 100-day-old chicks into a business that earns you income every month? In this video, I will show you exactly how to start a profitable poultry farm in Ghana, even if you are a complete beginner. Why poultry farming is profitable in Ghana. The demand for chicken meat and eggs keeps growing because of Ghana's increasing population. Restaurants, hotels, schools, supermarkets, and food vendors. Eggs are one of the most affordable sources of protein, making poultry farming a business with a year-round demand. Choose your poultry business. There are three main ways to make money from poultry farming in Ghana. 1. Egg production. Layers. 2. Meat production. Broilers. 3. Selling day-old chicks. If you are a beginner, many farmers recommend starting with broilers and layers depending on your market. Startup requirement. Before buying chicks, you need to prepare properly. You will need poultry house, feeders, drinkers, heat source for chicks, vaccines, clean water supply, quality feed, day-old chicks. How much capital do you need? Startup cost depends on the number of birds you begin with. Example, 100-day-old chicks. You need approximately 20,000 to 25,000 Ghana cedis, including housing, feed, vaccines, and equipment. Starting small allows you to learn the business while reducing risk. As your experience grows, you can gradually expand your flock. How to make money from your poultry business. Poultry farming offers several income streams. You can sell eggs, live chickens, processed chickens, chicken manure, day-old chicks, poultry feed if you expand. Common mistake to avoid in this business. Many beginners lose money because they make avoidable mistakes. Avoid overcrowding birds